Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're tackling a super timely topic. How to send Shiba Inu, SHIB, from your Phantom wallet to Gemini in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know how important it is to move your assets securely, especially with the evolving tech landscape. This guide is perfect for beginners and pros alike, helping you do it quickly and safely. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have everything set up. You'll need the Phantom Wallet app installed on your device. It's available for mobile and desktop, and a verified Gemini account. Also, ensure you have some SHIB tokens in your Phantom wallet. If not, you'll have to acquire them first, but we're focusing on the transfer today. Step 1. Open your Phantom wallet and log in. Once you're in, navigate to your wallet dashboard and select the SHIB token from your list of assets. It's usually easy to find. Just look for the SHIB icon. Next, head over to your Gemini account on a web browser or app. Go to the deposit section, select SHIB as the cryptocurrency, and generate or copy your unique Gemini wallet address. This is crucial, so double-check it to avoid any mistakes. Crypto transfers are irreversible. Now, back in Phantom, click on the SHIB token and choose the Send or Transfer option. Paste the Gemini wallet address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of SHIB you want to send, and review the transaction details, including any network fees. Phantom uses the Solana blockchain for SHIB, so expect those fees to be low. Before you hit confirm, take a second to verify everything. In 2025, with enhanced security features, you might see options for multi-factor authentication. Use them. Once you're good, confirm the transaction, and you'll get a confirmation notification. Finally, wait for the transfer to complete. This usually takes a few minutes, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, check your Gemini account to see your SHIB tokens arrive. And there you have it. That's how you send SHIB from Phantom to Gemini. Remember, always stay vigilant with your crypto. Use hardware wallets for larger amounts and keep an eye on market trends. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.